Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to take your headlights, or taillights I mean, out of a 2009 to 2014 F150. So if we come back here, you pop tailgate down, you come right here, there's two bolts that you need to take out, 1 and 2. So let's get into it. Alright, so now that we got that done, now you just want to come right here, and you just want to pop it out. You just want to pull it out. It just pops out by itself. There's just plastic clips right there. Ow. There we go. And it pops out of place, and let me bring it closer and let me show you. We come over here. There we go. That's all those are 3 bulbs, and that's how you take a taillight out of a F150 2009 to 2014. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you want more. See you guys in the next one.